beat, getting French toast. Tokyo sake sipping in the robe. Yo, Japan, done my open, got a toe. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I got that. I got that thing. I got that thing. Yeah, I got that thing. Give me that. Give me that.
Ang kailangan lamang sa dalawang taong magpapakasal ay maniwala sa kapangyarihan ng sakramento. Dahil kayong dalawa ngayon ay hindi lamang naging dalawa, kung hindi nagiging isa sa pamagitan ni Kristo. Katulad ng ang Diyos ay nagiging isa sa sambayanan.
I remember the first words that you ever said, buried soft like seeds deep in my chest. I wanna know who you are.
Nag-start yung love story namin because of my best friend. Yung best friend ko kasi nagtatrabaho sa Power Mac, staff siya doon, and then si Charles naman, manager niya.
Sabi ko kagad sa staff ko, sino yung isa niyang friend, yun nga, si Laika. Sabi ko, pakilala mo naman ako.
Pinakilala ako ng friend ko, inad ako sa Facebook, nag-meet kami, and then there comes the ligawan stage for about a week. A week lang, and then, ayun, naging kami na.
So come and take it all, live enough for the world. I'll be back for the sky when the red earth cries for the girls. Stumble into love like a challenge above, but I ain't with the feeling we face. So yeah, into you.
Finally, dumating na yung araw na pinakahihintay natin. We're finally getting married. I can't wait to see you later. Alam ko super pogi mo today. Gulat ka sa gift, no? Akala mo PS5. I love you, Mr. Luna. Love your future and Mrs. Luna.
Sana magustuhan mo yung gift mo. Thank you dahil hindi mo ako sinusukuan kahit makulit ako. Kaya ganyan ang gift ko sa'yo dahil ibig sabihin gusto ko magpatali sa'yo. Habang buhay, I love you, Mr. Luna. Thank you!
Wanna know who you are. 'Cause you're the reason I got so far.
Madami na tayo napagdaanan. Hindi pa lahat kumpleto. Madami pang mangyayari. Pero ang pinaka-importante doon, na-overcome natin lahat ng pagsubok. At the end of the day, yung hindi magandang nangyari na yun, mas nagagawa natin pinakamaganda.
I live it up to all the will that lives inside me, but I couldn't keep you here right next to me. There's something in the way I'm lifted when I hear your name. There's nothing that can touch what you have made. So come and take it all, live enough for the world. I'll be back for the sky when the red earth cries for the girls. Stumble into love like a challenge above, but I ain't with the feeling we face. So yeah, into you.
Wala na akong panahong tumingin pa sa iba dahil sa'yo pa lang nakatutok na ako. Talagang iingatan ko ang relasyon hanggang sa tumanda tayo. And thank you ulit sa lahat. I love you.
You've always been the Charles that I've known for 2 years na mapagmahal, caring, thoughtful. Bilang magiging Mrs. Luna na ako, ayan, hindi ko hahayaan na masira tayo ng kahit na sino or kahit na anong pagsubok na dadating sa buhay natin. Magiging strong ako para sa'yo at para sa magiging family natin, para sa magiging anak natin.
Can't stop